Hello, and welcome to another guided meditation. I'll be your guide, Lissy. Today, we're going to be focusing in on our hearts, healing our hearts from the inside, and focusing on the love that is within you and all around you. So let's begin by taking a deep breath in. Exhale an even longer breath out. Inhale deep breath in. Exhale even longer. One more time, deep breath in. Exhale all the air out. Now that we filled our lungs with that good prana, let's focus on relaxing every part of our bodies with a simple and short body scan. Let's begin with our toes. Feel every toe of each foot. Feel the tingling sensation going up your feet, the tops of the feet, the bottom of the feet, ankles, calf muscles, your knees. Keep moving your way up and send love to your thighs, your hips, your buttocks, your lower belly, your back, lower back. Sensation rises up to mid-belly, mid-back. Keep rising up into upper chest, upper back. Wrapping that wonderful sensation around your shoulders. And gently flowing with love down your arms into the upper arm, elbow, lower arm, hands, fingers, the palms of your hands. Now gently travel yourself onto your neck, the back of your neck, that point where your head meets your neck. Keep rising up to your jaw. We carry so much tension here. Send some love to your jaw muscles. Let them drop. Let your cheeks melt. The tiny muscles around your lips and your eyes relax and melt. Your forehead irons out all those wrinkles and just relaxes. Let's go. Your temples are relaxed. The top of your head, your crown, the back of your head. And now quickly scan your body on your own, quickly, and focusing in on those parts that need extra attention and love. Send them love. Very good. Now I want you to focus from this point forward on your heart. Feel your heart in your chest. I want you to think about the biggest, strongest love you have felt. Maybe it's the love that you have for your parents, for a significant other, for a pet. Bring that person into view and feel the love emanating from your heart towards this being. You can let go of that image in your head now. As soon as you feel that love in your heart, you can let go of the image. And from now on, just focus on that love. Focus on your heart and breathe. If thoughts enter your headspace, bring back your focus of attention to your heart. If it's a negative thought, just ignore it. Let it go. Focus back on your heart. If it's a beautiful thought, if it's a productive, a positive thought, then I want you to send that thought love. Be grateful and then let it go. If, for example, other people you love come into your headspace, be grateful for them. Be grateful for the love and let it go. Come back to your heart. If a great idea comes to mind, an idea for work, a creative idea, be grateful to yourself. Put that thought in the look at me later box and let it go. Come back to love. Come back to your heart. And there is no need to feel bad about your mind wandering. It means you have a healthy brain. It's normal. So don't beat yourself up if thoughts arise. This is exactly what meditation is noticing your thoughts, not suppressing. So notice, be grateful, send love, and come back to your heart. I will leave you alone now for just a minute so you can focus on your heart. Notice your thoughts and send them love. Come back to your heart. Send love. Very good. Now I want you to take a deep inhale in and imagine white light full of love entering your body, centering itself on your heart. And as you exhale, this light is spreading out through your entire body, reaching every corner, sending and spreading love throughout your whole body. Now keep this. As you inhale, light goes in. As you exhale, love spreads through your body. Inhale love. Exhale, spread the light. Inhale, pure love and light. Exhale, spread that love and watch it spilling outside of your body and into your aura. Inhale love. Exhale, spread it. Let it spill outside your body. Inhale, love, light. Exhale, watch it overflow like a fountain of overflowing love. I will leave you alone now to continue with this breathing technique of love. Breathe in love, light. Exhale, let it overflow. You are a beacon of love and peace. Let it shine. Let it spread to everyone you speak today. Let it spread to everything you touch. Let it spread through your thoughts. Let it spread through your actions. And watch that love ripple throughout the cosmos. Thank you so much for joining me in this guided meditation. I hope you are so full of love right now. From my heart to yours, may love and light follow you everywhere you go. Namaste.